Living in Miami Beach means enjoying ocean views, warm breezes, and coastal beauty year-round. But that same salt air that makes coastal living so appealing can be tough on your home, especially your windows. Over time, salt particles carried by sea breezes can cause corrosion, discoloration, and premature wear on certain materials. If you're considering new windows for your Miami Beach home, vinyl is one of the most durable and low-maintenance options available. Here's how vinyl windows are specifically suited to withstand salt air and coastal conditions. The challenge of salt air contains tiny salt particles that settle on exterior surfaces. When combined with humidity, these particles can accelerate corrosion and material breakdown. Traditional materials like untreated metal may rust or corrode over time. Wood frames can absorb moisture, leading to swelling, rot, or peeling paint. In a coastal environment like Miami Beach, choosing materials that resist both moisture and corrosion is essential for long-term performance. Vinyl resists corrosion naturally. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is that they are not susceptible to rust or corrosion. Vinyl, PVC, is a non-metallic material, so it does not oxidize or break down when exposed to salt air. Unlike aluminum frames that may show signs of pitting or corrosion if protective coatings wear off, vinyl maintains its structural integrity even in high salt environments. This resistance makes vinyl windows particularly well suited for homes near the ocean. Moisture resistance for humid conditions. Miami Beach's coastal climate brings not only salt air but also high humidity and frequent rain. Vinyl windows are moisture resistant and do not absorb water. Because vinyl does not swell, warp, or rot, it maintains a consistent seal over time. This helps prevent air leaks and water intrusion, both of which can compromise energy efficiency and cause interior damage. For homeowners, that means fewer maintenance concerns and longer-lasting performance. UV resistance and color retention. Coastal homes are exposed to strong sunlight year-round. Vinyl windows are manufactured with UV inhibitors that help resist fading and discoloration. High-quality vinyl frames maintain their appearance even after years of sun exposure. This is especially important in Miami Beach, where intense sunlight can quickly degrade lesser materials. With proper care, vinyl windows retain their clean, polished look for many years. Low maintenance in a coastal setting. Salt buildup is unavoidable in Miami Beach, but vinyl windows are easy to maintain. Routine cleaning with mild soap and water removes salt residue and keeps frames looking fresh. Because vinyl doesn't require painting or sealing, maintenance is minimal compared to wood frames. There's no need to worry about chipped paint or rust spots developing over time. This low maintenance advantage makes vinyl a practical choice for busy homeowners. Energy efficiency in coastal heat. Beyond durability, vinyl windows offer excellent energy performance. Many models feature multi-chambered frames that improve insulation, along with double-pane glass and low-E coatings. In Miami Beach's warm climate, these features help reduce solar heat gain and maintain indoor comfort. By limiting heat transfer, vinyl windows can help lower cooling costs and reduce strain on your air conditioning system. Professional installation matters. Even the most durable window material requires proper installation to perform well in coastal conditions. Professional installation ensures tight sealing, proper flashing, and secure anchoring, all critical for protecting against moisture and wind. When installed correctly, vinyl windows provide a reliable barrier against both salt air and seasonal storms. A smart choice for Miami Beach homes. Coastal living requires materials built to handle unique environmental challenges. Vinyl windows offer corrosion resistance, moisture durability, UV protection, and energy efficiency, all essential for homes in Miami Beach. If you're looking for a window solution that withstands salt air while maintaining comfort and style, vinyl windows are a smart and lasting investment for your coastal home.